Greetings and salutations and welcome to another video. In today's CADMAS video we're going to be on an advent calendar. Similar to this, but this is not for sweets, this is more for decorations and actually hanging stuff, but it can also be used as a handy tray when Christmas unfortunately has to be packed away. Now this is just one I whipped up quickly, but we will adapt and transform, we'll add some trim. You can add numbers, I won't add them all because it's just 24 times me doing the same thing. But let's get to it. So it's going to start on a new part. And we're going to start a new 2D sketch, so just grab plane, and we're going to make a rectangle, and I'm going to say let's go 150 by 150. Finish sketch, don't finish sketch, back into it, right. I was going to say it's a construction line, because what we're going to do firstly is work out how big we need to make our actual box. So we're going to start with defining our geometry, and then go use a rectangular pattern. And so our direction, let's go across. I'm going across 6, and the spacing is going to be 160, which gives a 10mm gap between. The other direction is going to be down. Go 4 with a gap of 160, and we're just going to flip it. And there you go. You've now got what essentially is going to be our reference. The last thing to now do is just drop a couple of points down here and here, because now what we're now going to do is now going to dimension them so they're 10mm away. So you just go select the point, select the corner, make it 10, select the point, select the corner, make it 10, point, corner, 10, last time, point, corner, 10. And you're then just going to grab your rectangle, not the line, and just go from point to point, and they'll just snap on like that. And that's essentially the main size of the box. Now we're going to extrude it 160, which gives you 10mm of depth, and there you go. You actually kind of got the main tray bit. Now we're going to be a little bit cheeky, and we're just going to just make this visible, so when I start a sketch on this side again, we can then project just the 4 sides of here, because we're essentially just going to repeat the same pattern we did last time. Click not finish sketch. Just click OK on that. Sketch 1, just make that invisible, and what you see now is we've now got the square. Now if we actually just line over it, click OK, click finish, make it extrude as a cut in, click OK. Actually adjust it so it's not going all the way through, so it's 150. Click OK. Now use a rectangular pattern to select the extrusion as a feature, and the direction one will go. So we're going up on the first one, so that means we need to go 4, gap of 160, and we're going to flip that direction. The second direction is across. We're going across 6, 160, flip it, and click OK. And there is the box. Now we can just make it look a little bit better. And if we scroll down on materials, not appearances, and we go to like birch. There you go. So this is what we ended up, this is what we started with. Now we can do a couple of more things. Let's make it look a little bit more festive. So firstly, we can start sketching the back. We can make text. And you can just put a 1, and you could make it, well, I don't know, 100 high. And then you then just need to rotate it. By 270. Click done. Let's put it in the middle-ish. Finish your sketch. and you can just emboss profile into your shape. Click OK. There you are, you've now got a 1 cut into it. And you could rinse and repeat for both of them. The other thing we can do also is add in just a trim on the side. So you can go select a rectangle, from corner to corner, and you can then select scale, I select scale properly, put base point as the middle here. I'm really looking for, I don't know, like 1.1. Go for like 1.1. Click apply. And we actually just put that sketch back in. Okay, click finish, extrude. We've now got a little frame that you can just put in, I don't know, 5mm. Set that to a new part as well. Because now if you then go into solid 2, you can make it just a little bit darker. Change the material up. Oh dear. Let's find a decent one. So yeah, so like white ash to make it a bit darker. You could frame it. So you see now I've got a nice frame. You could put all your numbers in. You can now hang all your Christmas decorations. And that is pretty much it. I will be using this to put all the Christmas decorations that I make from CADMAS in here. So, thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.